Below the face of the dam, you can see two long powerhouse buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that produce the electrical energy sold to support the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars.
The body of the water below is called the Bay or Canyon, which here is actually the Colorado River. This is where the water draws intended to keep below the surface of the clean and moves out through the turbines and the water temperature about between 53 and 55. You'll notice the roofs of both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the
wall at 230,000 volts. Cantilever towers will support and direct the wires leading into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the wall and cause a short circuit. Looking downriver, midway on the canyon wall,
How many blocks do you want to do?
Probably